Welcome to our tutorial about how you can split the bill of materials table. Let's say your table becomes too long. What you can do is choose a row where you want to split the table. Let's do this by right-clicking in the cell where you want the split to happen. Select Split. You can choose from the split options: horizontally above, horizontally below, vertically left, and vertically right. I'm going to select horizontally above. Now we can grab and reposition the table wherever we want. If you need to merge the tables together, it's easy. You just right-click at the break and select Merge Tables. And let's check here to anchor it down. Click OK. This concludes our tutorial about splitting the bill of materials.